Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Sultans of Swing. Alright, so we're going to do the rhythm first, and we'll get into all the cool fills and stuff later in a couple lessons, but for now, let's just focus on the rhythm and that intro guitar solo. So, it starts in the key of D minor. So you're going to slide with your ring finger to the 7th fret on the D string, and then you're going to go to the 5th fret on the G string. You're going to go, and then hammer on to the 7th fret on the G string. Do a vibrato. And then you're going to slide to 7 on the D this time, and then just straight to 7 on the G. And then you go back to here, and then you got right here, and then back to the 7th fret of the G. So far it goes. And then you got this cool sweep. It's like a staircase, so it's a, and you just do all 3 in a row. And then you got right here, back down, hammer on, pull off, and then, yes, and then it goes into the song. The singing starts, the rhythm guitar goes D minor, and then you kind of walk down. So that would be a C, and then A sharp. I'm just skipping these root notes here. I'm pretty sure the guys just kind of hang out on these bottom 4 strings. And then go to an A. And you can make it a 7. Yes. You do that whole thing again. I don't know if it goes to a 7 on the second time. You can do it if you like. And then it goes to an F major. Again, you don't need to do this whole big, giant F. Just these bottom strings. Go to the C. Then an A sharp major. Or a B flat major. And then you're going to walk back up to the D. And then the whole band does this thing. As far as I know. So that's just going from the A sharp to the C. You could probably just do it on these strings. Eventually it gets to the chorus. The chorus is D, A sharp, and then to the C. And I threw my pinky on right here. And of course we got the coolest little guitar riff. That's the whole reason why I learned this besides the second guitar solo. So it's going to be the D minor right here. And you just really hit these 3 strings, the D, the G, and the B. And it's going to kind of quickly jump to this bar. So it goes, and then down to here. And then this time, instead of doing the minor, you take your pinky off. So that goes. So you do a pull off, and then hit it. He might even do a pull-off in the beginning of this, so he might go, but I think he picks it. And by picking it, plucking it. I don't think he plays with the pick. Maybe he plays a little bit with the pick, but I'm pretty sure everything's just plucking. Then you slide up to here. So it's a bar on the 10th fret. And then beautiful chorus. You got this. So it's a slide on the A string to the 7th fret, ring finger. You can pick them. I think it's a hammer on. But yes, good luck with that. We'll get to the really cool fills and then of course the guitar solos in the next couple weeks. Good luck, sir. Good luck.